Hi, welcome to the Weeb Corner, the channel where I review anime, manga, and sometimes anime and manga merchandise. Let's get to the first official episode. This is going to be a merch unboxing and showcase of the Super Saiyan 4 Gojeta figure from Dragon Ball Z. I can never read these. Dokkan Battle, because I can't read. I don't write scripts, by the way. So let's open this bad boy up. I did cut tape for these. It's usually what I'm going to be doing is cutting the tape on boxes to save time. But other than that, everything is unopened. So the box will be keeping for storage purposes. It just has images of the figure from different angles, and then there's some stupid stuff on the back. And then here is our little parcel package container. And here is our figure. Thought this was supposed to be Gojeta, not the merchant from Aladdin. Oh, this is gonna have really crappy audio for a while. Because I can't and don't really want to edit things out. It's a do-it-yourself figure, kind of like a Lego set, though the stands most of the time come separate. This is a new figure, as you can tell by the gorgeous wrapping. This is the, I think this is the belt tie. Here is the tail. And here is our stand. Cheap looking stand. But I think I do. And here is our Gojeta figure. Still in merchant cosplay. So we're gonna pull that off. Yeah, here is the bad boy. Son of a gun, how do I put this on? No, this is gonna make me look bad. It's gonna take me an hour. Figure out how to put this damn thing on. Here we go. There you go. And now the tail up his butt. Take a deep breath, Gojeta. I think I called him Goku at least once in this video on accident. Sorry. Here we go. Now let's get him on his stand. There's two different placements. Oh, there's only one. There's two pegs. They've doubled it up. So yeah, here is our Gojeta figure. Super Saiyan 4, I should specify. And I believe it's Dragon Ball Super, where Goku and Vegeta fusioned in their Super Saiyan 4 forms. I believe is to take down, take down somebody. I don't know, I'm bad with names. Yeah. That's what this bad boy looks like. Yeah. It's pretty high quality. The only things you really needed to put on were the tail and belt tie, which is to be expected. I'm surprised we didn't have to put on the hair or any of the arms. It's very, very nice. And of course the stand, but what can you do? Yeah, this is copyright stupid stuff. yeah, that is our Gojeta figure. Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta from, I believe it's Dragon Ball Super. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on the stereotypical Weeaboo Corner. I guess that's the long version, it's just more like Weeb Corner, but same shit. Later.